When comparing Contabo and Hetzner in 2025, both providers stand out as popular choices for affordable VPS and dedicated hosting, but they cater to slightly different needs. Contabo is known for offering large amounts of resources, RAM, storage, and bandwidth at a very low price point, making it a go-to option for developers, hobbyists, or small businesses looking for budget-friendly hosting. It's especially popular in regions like Asia and Africa due to its generous specs and global availability. However, Contabo's servers can sometimes be slower compared to premium providers, and its customer support isn't always the fastest to respond. On the other hand, Hetzner, based in Germany, has built a reputation for offering extremely reliable and high-performance servers, especially in Europe. Hetzner's infrastructure is more robust with faster NVMe storage, better CPU performance, and a highly efficient control panel. While its pricing is still competitive, it may not offer as much storage or RAM as Contabo at the same price point. However, it makes up for this with superior performance, stability, and customer support. So if you need raw resources at a cheap price, Contabo is ideal. But if you're looking for high reliability, faster performance, and European data centers, Hetzner is a better pick.